help Monku share the bananas.
Chinu, Chinu, come here. Look, your books.
They are in two bunches. There are 6 flowers in each bunch.
Come here, children. Can you help me with these buttons? Look, I have 20 buttons. I have to stitch these buttons onto 4 shirts. How many buttons should I use for each shirt?
Grandma, let me make 4 equal groups out of these 20 buttons. You have to use 5 buttons for each shirt.
So when we divide 20 buttons into 4 equal groups, we have 5 buttons in each group.
Grandma, can you tell us a story? I am feeling bored.
Okay, come here all of you. I will tell you the story of 2 silly cats. Once there were 2 cats. They found a samosa on the road. They both wanted it and started fighting for it. A clever monkey was watching all this from the top of a tree. He came down and said that he could help them. The cats were very happy. They gave the samosa to the monkey. The monkey broke the samosa into 2 pieces and gave 1 piece to each cat. One cat felt that the other one had a bigger piece. So the monkey said he could make it equal by biting a bit into the bigger piece. Now that cat felt its share had become smaller. He complained to the monkey. Then the monkey ate a bit of the other cat's share. It went on like that, and finally there was no samosa left. The monkey had eaten all of it.
What a silly pair of cats, Grandma. They shouldn't have fought. See, they didn't get anything to eat in the end.
Chinu, Meenu, come quickly. I saw Monku and other monkeys fighting.
Come, let's go and see what the problem is.
Monku, what is the problem? Why are you fighting?
Look, Chinu, we have 9 bananas. Chimpu, Gompu, and I want to share them. We don't know how to do it.
Give the bananas to me. Let me help you.
Are you going to eat them all up like the clever monkey?
Oh no, Buzz. I am going to help Monku. Okay, there are 9 bananas. You are 3 monkeys. First, let me give you one each. Here, take it. Now, there are 6 bananas left. Take one each once again. Now, there are 3 left. Take one more. So, how many bananas do each of you have?
We have 3 bananas each. That's fine. Each of us have the same number of bananas.
That's right, Monku. So, when 9 bananas are shared among 3 of you, each of you get 3 bananas. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3.
What did you say, Meenu?
It is 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Get me a stick, Buzz. Let me write it for you. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. This is how we write it. That is, when 9 things are divided among 3 people, each of them get 3 things.
Oh, now I know. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3.
We have 12 peanuts also with us. Meenu, can you help us divide these?
Sure, Monku. First, let me give you all one each. I have 9 peanuts left with me. I will give you all one more. Now, there are 6 peanuts. Each of you can have one more. I have 3 left now. You can all take one more. So, how many peanuts do each of you have?
We have 4 peanuts each, Meenu. So 12 peanuts divided equally among 3 of us gives 4 peanuts each.
That's right. It is 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Let me write it for you. We write it like this. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Monku, look at that baby monkey. I think he also wants some peanuts. You must share the peanuts with him also.
Okay, we will share it with him. Let us all return the peanuts to Meenu. Gompu, Chimpu, give your peanuts to Meenu. Now you have 12 peanuts again, Meenu. Will you divide it among the 4 of us now?
Yes, Monku. Baby monkey, come here. I will give 1 peanut to each of you now. Here, take it. Now, I have 8 peanuts left with me. I will give 1 more to each of you. Now, I have 4 peanuts. Take 1 more now. Monku, can you tell me how many peanuts each of you have now?
Yes, Meenu. Each of us have 3 peanuts each. So when 12 peanuts were divided among 3 of us, we got 4 peanuts each. But when the same 12 peanuts are divided among 4 of us, we get 3 peanuts each.
That's right, Monku. So, twelve divided by 3 is equal to 4. And 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Okay, Monku, now don't fight over these things. You should always share things.
I am hungry now after seeing bananas and peanuts. Shall we go home now?
Yes, come, let's go home. I am also hungry. Bye, Monku. Oh, look there. Sita auntie is trying to make bundles of sticks. Come, let's go and help her.
Hello, Sita auntie. Can we help you?
Hello children, I have 16 sticks. I am trying to make bundles with equal number of sticks.
We will help you, Sita auntie. First, let us keep one stick for each bundle.
Meenu, how do you know that you have to make 4 bundles?
The auntie has 16 sticks. I just thought of 16 in my mind and wondered where it came in the multiplication table.
Multiplication table? Oh, that one we made before. Let me also try. 16 comes in 4 tables. 4 fours are 16.
That's right. That's why I am making 4 groups. So each group will have 4 sticks. Let me keep it first. I have kept 4 sticks in each group. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16.
You can also say 4 multiplied by 4 gives 16.
That's right. So there are equal number of sticks in each of the 4 groups. So when we divide 16 by 4, we get 4.
I know how to write this. Let me write it on the ground. It is 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4.
Sita auntie that they should share everything. So even we have to share equally with Buzz if he is hungry. So there are 9 puris. We have to share them among 3 of us. It is 9 divided by 3, which is 3. So we will get 3 puris each. Chinu, let's make bangles with these beads. Look, there are 18 beads. Buzz, if I divide it equally among the 3 of us, how many beads will each of us get?
Oh, how do I do this?
I will tell you. You have to divide 18 by 3, which is 6.
Now I know why. 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. So, when we divide 18 by 3, it becomes 6.
That's right. All 3 of us will get 6 beads each.
Meenu, yesterday I went to play marbles with Sahil, Jeetu and Joseph. We had 28 marbles. Do you know how we split it equally?
Yes, Chinu. You all got 7 marbles each.
Meenu, stop. How?
Buzz, they had 28 marbles. There were 4 of them: Chinu, Sahil, Jeetu and Joseph. So it is 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. That is why each of them got 7 marbles.
I can also check the answer like this. 4 multiplied by 7 is 28.
Buzz, look at those marks. They are the marks of the feet of our chicks. Let me count them. There are 10 marks. So can you tell me how many chicks have gone this way?
There are 10 footprints. So it must be 10 chicks.
Buzz, you are really foolish. How many legs do chicks have? 1?
No, they have 2 legs. Oh no! Now I know. There are 10 footprints. Each chick has 2 feet. So it is 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So 5 chicks have gone this way.
That was smart, Buzz. Oh no! We can't make our bangles now. We don't have strings. Come, let's go to Sheila's house. She has strings. We will get some from her.
Meenu, look. People have taken off their chappals to go to the temple. Let me count them. There are 16 chappals here. How many people are inside the temple? Buzz, can you tell?
Yes, I can. I am smarter now. There are 16 chappals. People wear 2 chappals each. So it is 16 divided by 2, which is 8. There are 8 people inside this temple.
Look at that uncle. He is trying to put those jalebis in the boxes. Good morning, uncle. Can we help you?
Good morning, children. Look, I have made 40 jalebis. I want to put them in these 10 boxes. How many should I put in each so that there are equal number of jalebis in each box?
I will tell you, uncle. It is 40 divided by 10, which is 4. So you have to put 4 jalebis in each box.
Thank you, children.
Oh, 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. I know 10 multiplied by 4 is equal to 40. This is easy. So 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. Then 80 divided by 10 will be 8.
That's right, Buzz. Friends, dividing things is fun. You can also try more. Do you want to try this? 15 divided by 3. Yes, you are right. It is 5. Now tell me, what is 15 divided by 5? You are right again. It is 3. Isn't it like magic? 15 divided by 3 is 5 and 15 divided by 5 is 3. It is not magic, just that division is fun.
Division is more fun if you know your tables, friends. So keep learning your tables. Can you look at the pictures and give the answers? There are balloons. There are 9 balloons. They are in groups. They are in 3 groups. There are balloons in each group. There are 3 balloons in each group. There are 6. There are 12 chicks. They are in groups. They are in 3 groups. There are chicks in each group. There are 4 chicks in each group. There are flowers. There are 8 flowers. They are in groups. They are in 4 groups. There are flowers in each group. There are 2 flowers in each group. Shall we help Buzz put the things in 2 equal groups? Eight balls. Four balls in each group. Twelve pencils. Six pencils in each group. Ten flowers. Five flowers in each group. 18 leaves. Nine leaves in each group. Shall we match the following now? 6 divided by 2 . 3 8 divided by 4 . 2 12 divided by 3 . 4 20 divided by 4 . 5 18 divided by 3 . 6 Let's help Buzz divide now. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. Let us help Butterfly fill in the blanks now. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. Divided by 5 is equal to 4. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 24 divided by is equal to 6. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. 80 divided by is equal to 8. 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 21 divided by is equal to 7. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Divided by 7 is equal to 2. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. 24 divided by is equal to 8. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8.